welcome to the fourth part of the tutorial. This is the part where we're gonna actually start writing Unrealscript. Yay! Okay. So, let's go ahead and start writing for your HUD, the HUD base, which is basically what manages all your it manages everything that's happening, like when to turn off or when to open and close your HUD, all that stuff. Let's see. So we got that, and every Unrealscript thing, as far as I know, has some kind of default properties. Let's go ahead and save this. And I've already made this folder, I already made this file name, so I'm just gonna save it in a tutorial folder. And you'll notice after I save it that I have this thing that makes it. There we go. So yeah, I've got a user-defined language thing. Yeah. Sorry for using thing a billion times, but anyway. So here we go. If you want, I can show you. I don't really like the layout of this one. Like, I don't really like having dark colors or random colors. I'd rather just have like something that looks more like C++ or Java-like or something. But this is all I could find online, and I didn't really want to go ahead and write my own like XML thing because that's just annoying. So anyway, so I've got this one. If you guys want, I'll give you a link. If you comment, I'll give you a link to this one that I found. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and start writing. You don't need anything in the default properties, so just leave it blank. And now we're gonna start. We only have, I think, 3 functions that we need for this. So here we go. We got simulated function post begin play, and this is called, I think, first before anything else. And we're gonna call super.postBeginPlay. And now this is gonna open up the HUD itself. So here we go. Oh, sorry, we need a variable for that, don't we? Okay, so we're gonna make a variable name, and this will be referencing the next Unrealscript thing that we're gonna make. For us, it is exiled GFX battle HUD, and that's the class name. And this is going to be the variable name. Yep. I don't know if I said that right. So yeah, class name right here. Yep. And variable name, which you can name whatever here, or rather object name if you want to get particular about it. Kind of. Anyway, so here's that. And now we're gonna go ahead and make it an object. Yay! And yeah, you guys know anything about object-oriented programming? It's all kinds of fun stuff. I'm not gonna, I guess, tell you as I'm typing this because that would take too long. But we actually haven't made, we've this is already within the movie player itself, the set timing mode. That's a function that's already been made. But initialize is something that we actually haven't made yet, but we're going to in the next part. Okay, or not this part, but the next class, the class that we're going to make. Alright, so here we go. We need to make our destroyer so we can clean up. This would be called whenever your movie goes away, so we can free up memory. Yay. And if you have multiple movies, you'll want to do this. I'm sorry if this is really hard to see. I don't know if I should. There you go. I guess that's easier to see. Okay. Yeah, these are functions that are already written in here, so Unrealscript makes it really easy for you. You're basically just programming right on top of it. Oops. There we go. So whenever it needs to be destroyed, Unrealscript will destroy it. And this will make sure, or whenever it's closed, whenever I guess the game's done and all that stuff, it'll call this, and then it'll go ahead and close your movie and delete your object. So, alright, and now we're gonna do post-render. This is actually a very good, ooh, I did not type that right, post-render. This is actually a very good place to, that most interesting things with changes with your HUD will take place. If you want it to be turned off, if you want certain parts to not show up or whatever, all that stuff is going to show up over here. So, like all the stuff that I've done, or the fact that I have like two buttons on top of each other, I can turn them off and turn them on through here, basically. But anyway, okay, so go ahead and write myself a nice comment. Okay. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and call a function. But yeah, we actually haven't made this one either. Oops. There we go. We actually haven't made this one, so and we haven't made this one either. So, yep, we're gonna get on that next. So here you go, we have your first thing, and you're gonna save this under your classes, which you should have something like that. And we got the UDK thing, development source, your game name, whatever that is, classes, and save it as whatever it is that you're saving it. Oh, another thing that you should probably do while I'm here, here's your, oops, this is the game info. Make sure, you might not have to use this, but make sure that you have this for sure. And the default properties of whatever your game info is. So, the HUD type is, here's the name of your game, which is the same thing as this folder, yeah, this folder, that holds the classes. And then the name of the HUD base that we just made just now should be here as well. So, yeah. Let's see. I think I do not need that. I think that's something else. Oh yeah, that's the old thing. Oh, it looks like I opened up everything on accident. Sorry. Anyway, so here's this. And you've already done this part. This is all you have to do for your game info. And I think we're done with this part, at least just to make it work. And I think I'm going to end this one, this movie. I don't know how long it's taken me to make this particular one, so I'm just going to end it here just in case we're running out of time. So, ooh, you know what? I actually just realized that I did not save this right. That is another thing. See, I mistyped, and that will make it so it does not show up. So, here we go. Okay. And I'll go ahead and end this, start the next video soon.